Hey guys, this is Pizus here. Today I'm going to show you some special tips about WhatsApp. Yes guys, now I'm going to show you 7 tricks about WhatsApp that really improves your WhatsApp security. So don't waste any time, let's get started. So guys, here is my phone. So now I'm going to show you 7 special tips about WhatsApp. So don't waste any time, let's get started. So the number 1 is that. So first of all, I'm going to take my phone in my hand and go to open your WhatsApp. So here go to 3 tabs over here and just settings. If you are seeing my videos, just settings and then accounts and then privacy. So here you can scroll down and here you can see the options fingerprint. Okay, so just tap on it. So here you can see unlock with fingerprint. Now if I read this message, so when enabled you will need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So that means if I use these options, then my WhatsApp will be more secure. So I just enable this option and tap fingerprint on back side. So here is immediately, if I choose the options after 1 minute, after 30 minutes, so choices use what you want to do over here. So and now back on it, and again I will lock this phone. So after lock this phone, again I'm going to open it and then go to WhatsApp. Here you can see the options is touch the fingerprint sensor. That means now your WhatsApp has been locked. So until I press the finger over here, as you can see on the back side, then my WhatsApp can't open. Anyone can't access my WhatsApp. Okay, so I am just going to tap on back side my fingerprint portion. Yeah, it's open. So number two is that two-step verification is really helpful. So just go on 3 button and go to on 3 button, tap settings and then accounts. Here you can see the option two-step verification. Just tap on it and you can see these messages. For added security, enable two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. That means if you enable these options, your WhatsApp will be locked or enter a PIN that you are going to create over here. Okay, now I'm just going to enable on it, and then here I choose the 6 digit that is really get more secure my WhatsApp. So here you can see enter 6 digit PIN, which will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to type 1 2 3 4 5 6. So choices use, just confirm on it. Yeah, it's also require email ID. So stay here my phone. So I'm going to tap here my email ID. Confirm your email. Yes, save. So after I choosing my email ID or set my two-step verification is complete. That means when you are entering your WhatsApp need to access this PIN. Okay, so when you are just think when you are in sleep mode and your WhatsApp will be able to access your account, then you need to type here your 6 digit PIN that you have created here. Otherwise anyone can't access this your WhatsApp just because you are enable two-step verification. Okay, after complete the process you just tap on done, and here if you don't need this option, then you can also disable here change PIN, change email address. So you can see it here. so whatever you need. So this is the number 2 tricks is complete. Okay, so number 3 is that how to read deleted message. Yeah, that is the most important option, that is the most important questions. So how can how can we read a deleted message on WhatsApp? So how we read a deleted message? If we want to read a deleted message, then we need to install a application there that is called VMR. So just go to Play Store and then search on it WMR and then search. So here is the recover options as you can see on the screen. So just install, tap on it, VMR, recover deleted messages, start download. Wait for install. So it's running WAMR. So friends, if you want to read a deleted message, so you just need to install this application. It's called WMR. So after install, you can read all the deleted messages from WhatsApp. Okay, so number 4, create your own emoji. Yes, now let's see how to create our own emoji. So you just go any of your chats people and then tap on it, messages. Here you can see a logo that's make you happy. So just tap on it, and here you can see mine's ads. So just tap on it, and here you can here is need to face to make a emoji that you want to do. So here you can see fit your face. Here will create a character based on you. So here you can see is the taking picture is done. 3 mind settings create for you. So choose one of them. So I'm going to choose this one and show me. So here you can see the emoji mini customize. Also you can customize your own emoji over here. Okay, so here, yeah, here you can create your own emoji. Also you can customize your all that emoji that's make or depend on you. Okay, so this one I'm going to choose. Okay, so after I choose this one, here I can see, or also you can see more emoji created over here. So if you just want to tap on it, any one of these, then it's send. This is the cool option, you know. Now it's come number 5. Okay, number 5 is that auto replay. So sometimes you are try to replay on anyone, so that's why you need to you need to install this application, auto replay. Just go to Play Store and then type here auto replay app. Auto replay WhatsApp. So you need to install this application is WhatsApp auto replay app. So after install, you can use it as a machine, as a robot. So this app can help you to type automatically message to everyone, depend the sending message. Okay, so wait for it. So if you want to do it, then you need to install this application, WhatsApp auto reply app. This app can make you happy, just because you don't need to do anything over here, right? You just sit on it and the message will be sent automatically. This is also cool, right? Wait for it. Yeah, it's done. So now number 6 is that when you want to share the emoji with everyone, but you can't share the emoji or pictures with everyone, you just share the only 5%. Okay, so here is the example. So I'm going to forward this message to everyone, like 10 or 11 people, but I can't send to 11 or 10 people. Here is the permission that is says I can share this emoji or pictures only 5%. Here you can see on the screen. So here is the solution of it. So you just go on it, you just go on 3 button. Here you can see is a 3 button over here, and just create a new broadcast. Okay, these options really help you. New broadcast can sending all of your contacts WhatsApp, or here is the no limits. As you can see, before I say, here is the no limits. You can share to everyone or unlimited person that you want to share with. Okay, so this is a cool option. Also use it and comment me this is a cool or not. So, and also you can tell me which tricks really helps you, which tricks really do you like. Also, the last but not for the least is the number 7 is that go to WhatsApp, and you can't download any of others pictures, profile picture, but here I'm going to showing you how to download these pictures. So just you need to screenshot of it. So guys, video is finished. Yes, if you are watching my channel, Small Tech Pizus YouTube channel, then please hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon on YouTube app, and never miss another update from Small Tech Pizus YouTube channel. So stay with me, keep watching my video till the end. Thank you so much for watching.